Supergroup focuses on fleet management, supply chain logistics and car dealerships.
Okay, similar mix, but bigger in Australia, where it has quite a nice operation that has done well. It's been a fabulous rebound from quite a tough period about a decade ago where they almost went out of business. And it's rebounded to a market cap of 11 billion rand.
11 billion rand, dividend yield here 11.1% and a price to earnings ratio of 3.2. Weigh in with your thoughts on Supergroup. Didn't you call this one correctly?
Yes, yeah. So this has been one of our favourite picks and has done very well for us. The whole turnaround story has really been very successful. Credence to the management team, they've done an excellent job. And I think what you're seeing is the initial phases were rebuilding those businesses, refocusing them. They were, you could argue, fortunate. The SG Fleet business, that's their investment in Australia, has been a phenomenal success story. It's now listed separately on the Australian exchange. The share's done well. The results coming through in their last set of results, again, SG Fleet's numbers up 30%. So I think that's helped pull the entire group. But the rest of the business, the South African logistics, also very strong position. And now they're taking their free cash flow and they have been reinvesting it in acquisitions, bolt-on acquisitions, and we're seeing more of that. Most recently they bought some Ford dealerships, the Allen Ford dealerships in the UK. That was about a R1 billion acquisition, so that will be earnings accretive. We can't expect, I think, the same kind of share price appreciation as we've had, but I think it's still a very strong performer with a very strong franchise.
Let's look at the share price graph and get you to comment here, Paul, on where we are.
What can you say about a share price that looks like that? It just keeps going upwards and to the right. Those are the best kind of share prices that do that, I can tell you. So,
but Rowan making the point that we're not going to see the same kind of upward movement going forward.
Perhaps, although it's got the right mix for the times and people like a stock that keeps moving along.
Hot or not?
I'm going to call it hot too. I like these sort of momentum stories. I've always thought it could be an acquisition target. Now it's big enough, it doesn't need to be acquired by anyone.
Hot or not, sir?
Hot.